Okay, we'll start out by adding about a ½ an inch of water into that tray and then placing your ribs on a wire rack that certainly fits inside that tray. This will create a nice steam bath for those ribs and also allow that fat to drip away. These nice barbecue baby pork back ribs, I'm starting with a little bit of yellow mustard to use as a binder for the spice. Very rare that I am low or out of mustard, but tonight was one of those nights. I am in shock, but I had enough just to get through. Let's make sure we add the mustard on both sides, the top and the bottom, or the front and the back. Rub that in nicely, and then we are going to use what I call my boom spice. We're gonna spice these up really generously on both sides. I've got great combinations in there of garlic and onion powder, salt, pepper, cayenne, red chili pepper, a whole bunch of different flavors. Next, I'm using tin foil to make a tent. So to do this, take 2 pieces of tin foil, make sure you stretch them out so they are a little bit longer than your actual tray. You'll then fold in each side of the tin foil about 1 inch, and that way you can blend those together and make a nice tent. Make sure now you go ahead and seal up the entire tray all the way around the perimeter. This is such an easy recipe. I cook these in the oven, middle rack, 350 degrees for 2.5 hours. Very careful when removing the foil. These are going to be extremely hot and we want to avoid any type of steam burns at all. The aroma from these delicious barbecue pork back ribs is incredible. Look how tender they are. The fork doesn't even take any sort of energy to pierce those. These will simply fall right off the bone. I'm gonna go ahead and leave these rest for just a few minutes, and then I will add some barbecue sauce and place them under the broiler for just a couple of minutes. And then we are gonna give these a nice taste test. We are getting so close to taste test time. Look at those delicious barbecue ribs. Do me a favor as well, hit that like button. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, and share to the channel. It's falling right off the bone. Oh my goodness. Cooking in my kitchen is always fun. The food tastes delicious. Thanks so much for watching my YouTube channel.
Oh! Spectacular. Look, they're falling literally right off the bone. Look, look, you see that? These are so good, it's sinful. Oh. Spice combination tonight was on point, baby. I can't believe I found those ribs on sale. Wow.